So, can you change the iPad and Notes background color on the iPad? Let's get started. So, the way that it kind of works is that there is a built-in app for note taking from Apple, right? In the older versions of the iOS and iPad OS, we used to have a nice background with the texture on it, but right now, as you can see, we open it up and it's completely white. Well, you can change the background, but only by switching to a dark mode. So if you do that and switch your entire iPad into the dark mode, you will have the ability to essentially just have a black background instead of white one. However, if you would like to, I don't know, put a paper background behind it or some kind of texture, give it a nice tint or whatever, this is simply not possible within the built-in Notes app from Apple. If you want to do that and get more customization options, you will need to get a third-party app instead, something like GoodNotes or Notability, even some third-party other apps which are not that popular. Those will have the option to customize and change the background, but most definitely not this one from Apple. So as I said, only well, technically you can change the color, but only from black and white, but it's only based on the UI and the dark mode. So that's how it works. I just wanted to quickly explain that because a lot of people are asking this, but it's just not how it works. So let me know below in the comments if you have some more questions or thoughts. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future tutorials.